On Saturday, the US Navy said a nuclear-powered guided missile submarine was operating in the Middle East in support of the Bahrain-based US Fifth Fleet. In a statement, Commander Timothy Hawkins said that the USS Florida entered the region on Thursday and began transiting the Suez Canal on Friday. Hawkins said, and I quote, "It is capable of carrying up to 154 Tomahawk land attack cruise missiles and is deployed to the US Fifth Fleet to help ensure regional maritime security and stability." On Friday, a conservative federal judge in the state of Texas halted US approval of the abortion pill mifepristone but paused implementation for a week to give federal authorities time to appeal. The suit against the Food and Drug Administration is the latest step in the campaign to win a total ban on abortion following a landmark Supreme Court ruling last year. It takes aim at a pill involved in 53% of all abortions in the United States, or more than 500,000 every year. In his decision, Judge Matthew Kacsmaryk wrote, "FDA's approval of mifepristone is hereby stayed," adding that the court was also halting applicability of this opinion and order for 7 days. China began 3 days of military exercises around Taiwan on Saturday to express anger at Taiwan President Tsai Ing-wen's meeting with the Speaker of the US House of Representatives, as the island's defense ministry said that it would respond calmly. The drills were announced by the People's Liberation Army's Eastern Theater Command a day after Taiwan President Tsai Ing-wen returned from a trip to the United States. Russia has formally charged Wall Street Journal correspondent Ivan Gershkovich with spying, Russian state media has reported. The reported charges by Russia's Federal Security Service, or FSB, come more than a week after the US citizen was detained during a reporting trip in Russia's Ural Mountains region. Gershkovich has denied the charges, TASS reported. 31-year-old Gershkovich was brought to Moscow and is being detained in the city's Lefortovo prison. It wasn't clear until now whether the New Jersey native had been formally charged, although various Russian officials have referred to charges against him.